Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi vinegar at home. First, you'll need to gather your essential ingredients: rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. These three components form the foundation of a delicious sushi vinegar. Make sure you have a non-reactive saucepan and a whisk ready for mixing. Using fresh ingredients is key to achieving the best possible taste for your homemade sushi. Now, let's combine our ingredients. Pour 1 cup of rice vinegar into your saucepan. Next, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt to the vinegar. Whisk everything together thoroughly. Place the saucepan over low heat, stirring gently until the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. Avoid boiling the mixture. We just want to warm it enough to dissolve the solids. Once your sugar and salt have dissolved, remove the saucepan from the heat. It's crucial to let the sushi vinegar cool down completely to room temperature before storing it. After it's cooled, carefully pour the vinegar into a clean, airtight container. You can store your freshly made sushi vinegar in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks, ensuring it stays fresh for your next sushi-making adventure. When you're ready to make sushi, use about 2 tablespoons of your homemade sushi vinegar for every 1 cup of cooked rice. It's best to gently fold the vinegar into warm, freshly cooked rice. This allows the rice to absorb the flavors beautifully. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of vinegar to match your personal taste, creating the perfect balance for your sushi.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.